So a while back, I found an item that even surprised me. It sells much faster than I expected, and almost no one notices these. It's amazing to me how these items get overlooked, and at certain times of the year, these can be bought at bargain prices. So I'm going to show you that item, but I do want to point out I believe this is a video that many of you have been waiting for. So anyway, the item that I'm talking about, it's nativity sets. Specifically vintage nativity sets. So just take a look at what these can sell for. Okay, so I'm going to show you on this video how to locate these with no guessing. No guessing. You're going to be certain that what you bought is going to sell and at a good price. Now, how am I going to do that? It's through STR, which means sell through rate. So on these nativity sets, I'm going to show you how I find the right ones. Now, there's lots of them out there, but not all of them are valuable. Only certain ones are valuable. I'm going to show you how to determine which ones are the valuable ones, and it's amazing prices that some of these can bring. But we're going to look at sell-through rate. I'm going to jump down on my computer in just a moment. But first, what I want to do is I'm going to jump up here to my whiteboard, and I'm going to show you basic format of how I look for these things with sell-through rate. Again, then we'll jump down on the computer, and I'm going to show you step by step of how to find the right ones. Okay, so let's take the mystery out of STR, also known as sell-through rate. Now, sell-through rate gets confused, and I'm going to try to clear that up right now. Sell-through rate can help us as resellers in two distinct ways, and we're going to address both of them. The very first part of this is going to be using sell-through rate to find BOLO items, and those are items to be on the lookout for, BOLOs. So how we do that is we need to search a category to see what items in that category will sell. The things that are very profitable and things that we just love to find when we're out there. So that's what we're going to do first, our BOLO items. Now on BOLO items, what we're going to do is we're going to search for a particular category of items. So on this example, what I'm going to use is vintage nativity sets. So vintage nativity sets. That's what we're going to search for. Now, as soon as I show you this, as soon as I'm finished here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump down on my computer, and I'm going to do this sell-through rate search for these items so you can see how it actually works. So what we do is we're going to type in vintage nativity scenes in the search bar. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us the total results. And the total results, now I've already done this, so I'm prepared for this, is somewhere around 56,000. That's a lot of nativity sets. That's what's on the market right now that are listed to sell. And you're going to see that. So what we're going to do now, once we have that figure that is up in front of us, now what we need to do to find out what we want to look for in there is filter it. So our first filter is going to be about condition. You may find new ones out there when you're looking. Most likely you won't. Most likely they're going to be used. So we're going to filter to used first. That's what we're going to do. And then after we filter used, what we're going to find is this number, this 56,000 is going to drop. It'll be, I think, somewhere around 50,000 used nativity sets for sale right now. But that's when it starts getting interesting. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to filter. This is very important, guys. You really need to catch this one. We're going to filter what has sold. So we're going to be looking first for used and then solds. Now, after we've done that, it's going to show you how many nativity sets have sold in the last 90 days. Now, that's an important number, 90 days. Not how many have sold in the last year or 2 years or last 5 years. In the last 3 months, it's going to show you how many of those have sold. So then what we're going to do after we find out how many have sold, we're going to filter again, but this time what we're going to filter is by price. So why we're doing that is we're going to be looking for the items in a category that are having sold listings. We're going to find out which ones sell for high price. That's what I'm after, and I believe that's what you're after too. There's no sense in having BOLOs that are $10 items. I want BOLOs that are $100 plus items. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me jump down on my computer and we'll actually filter and see what we have. And again, this is for the BOLO section. Then we will take our phones and we're going to do the same thing using STR on individual items. So it's like we're out at a yard sale, a garage sale, we're at a thrift store, we find an item. Now, what is the sell-through rate on that item? We're going to do that on our phone next, and it'll be just like we're out live shopping. Okay, so I hope that wasn't too confusing. I'm just trying to show you the general idea of a format that we use. We're going to look up an item and then we're going to go down and we're going to filter it and we're going to see how good of a sell-through rate. So that's what we're going to do now here on my desktop. On my monitor, you'll see we're on eBay, it's on the homepage, and look at this. This just happened while I've been filming this. It's right here. Paid, ship now, Yakima. That's interesting. That just happened, and I'll check all that out later. But anyway, let's go up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to search in the search bar, and you can see I've already had it done. Nativity set and vintage right here. Nativity set vintage. Now, very first thing I want you to notice is right here. Right now, there's 56,000 results in nativity vintage category. So what we're going to do is we're going to look and see what items sell real well in this category. Now, if we were out and we were found a particular one, like this one, we found this particular one, we would type in that exact model, that exact item. But that's not what we're doing right now. What we're doing is we're just checking what to be looking for. So we're going to just talk about just general nativity sets that are vintage. Okay, so here we go, 56,000. And now what we want to do is we want to search this. We can, right here, we can click condition, or you can go over here and click condition down below there, but condition, and then we're going to pick used. Why are we picking used? Is because you're shopping at garage sales and you're shopping at yard sales and you're shopping at thrift stores. More than likely, those items are going to be used. You may find a new one sealed. That would be absolutely great. But just generally speaking, this is what you're most likely to find. Okay, so back in here, you can see on used ones, now we've dropped off 6,000. There's 50,000 results. Now, what we want to do is start filtering. We've already got it, the condition cut down to used, but now what we want to go do is we want to go see solds. So you're going to scroll down, and in your left column, you're going to find sold items. It's right here. So I'm going to click sold items. Now, you know that I like to get 10 times my money. Well, I'm not going to look at $10 selling price items. I'm not going to do that. In fact, I'm looking for BOLO items. I'm looking for what to be watching for, right? That's what you're wanting. I suspect you want to make some good money when you do this. So BOLO items need to be those kind of a hot item. If you do find one, you're just thrilled. So back over here, we can see that there's been 4,100, guys, 4,100 nativity sets sold on eBay in the last 90 days. But are we interested in all these? No, we're not. I'm not. Maybe you are. I'm not. What I want to do now is I want to filter the price. I want to see things that sell for more money. So what you do is you'll scroll down. On the left side, again, you will see available inventory, minimum to maximum. Now you can click the minimum and max and put the price in. What I do is I just use this slider. So I'm going to slide from $0 up to 100. When I do that, $100, you can see right here that 390 nativity sets, vintage ones, have sold in the last 90 days. 390. So let's take a look at some of these names so we know what to look for. And as you go down through here and you're looking through these, you will notice this one, Fontanini, right here. You'll see Global. You'll see Linux, all quite often. And notice the pricing here. So as I move down a little bit, they will actually start going in order. But you can see 110, 353, 185. These are really good items. Okay, so these can sell at very good prices. You can make some really good money. But look at the different names, and you will see the same ones over and over. Here's a Gobo again. Here's a Linux again. Now, let's shoot this on up a little bit farther. Here's another Fontanini right here, and you'll see the same ones over. Here's another one, Fontanini, 190. So let's go filter these and go high end, just so we could get really thrilled if we would find these. Let's take this up to, let's say, $250 and above. 97 of these have sold in the last 90 days. And now let's look at these. What kind of names? Here we are. There's a Gobo again. And let's see, what else have we got? We got some different ones. This is a really good, this Henri. These can be really good. They go really high on a lot of them. That's another name to be watching for. And again, here's Linux, Fontanini, another Linux. So you can see the names that you need to start watching for. So that is how you filter to find out what your BOLOs are, which ones to be looking for. I always check it. You can do this really quick on your phone, out at a yard sale, out at a garage sale. So guys, if you like this kind of information, you just saw the sell-through rate of this nativity sets. They sell really well. And the other point that I wanted to make to you was right after the seasons. Now, these would be new, more than likely, but right after the season, right after the Christmas season, retailers put their items on clearance. And sometimes you can go find nativity sets, new, in the box, sealed. They won't be vintage, but they still can be worth a lot of money at 80%, 90% off because these retailers blow the things out right after a season, right after a particular celebration season is up. And it's a perfect time to go stock up, but you have to understand you need to hold those. You're going to more than likely hold them until the next Christmas season. Okay, so now that you see how we've done this on my desktop, um, I'm going to do another video, and it will be part 2. And this one I'm going to do on my phone. I'm going to show you 2 things, actually. I'm going to show you this nativity set, how to look it up, but I'm also going to show you that sale that I just made while I was filming this. Phone goes off, I get the cha-ching, and I just made a sale, and I showed you on my screen here the sale that just came through. So in case you're interested, watch this next video coming up where I will do a sell-through rate on my phone for nativity items, and I'll also show you the sale that I just made and how much I profited on it. So guys, take care of yourselves. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on my next video.